say I dey run after him.
The boy dey mad.
Me I no get leg. Make a lie. Make a lie.
Then we dey go. We dey run after.
Okay, so you're welcome once again. I don't know. So, where are you from? Let's even know that.
Now, boxing I've heard they do before. So, the first girl I want to marry before. So, I want to go do the engagement like next tomorrow now. So, my auntie my sister man go do my boxing first. Because I get boxing a day to the day where we say I want to engage. So the boy want to go fight. The boy the verse for me. I don't say my family and their family get issue.
Baby, where are you from?
And now that's what I'm explaining now. So you carry me go join boxing, you know. Not last say tomorrow they go engage one girl because I just go fight the fight today. You can't make mistake, can't go blow my eye. As it blow my eye swell up. So I caught him and I don't want to go my in-law. Please.
Sorry, my brother. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Maybe I didn't phrase my question properly. I don't know, because where you are going to is places I didn't send you. My question is, where are you from? You know, when they say state and capital, you know, Lagos, Abuja.
Okay.
Where are you from? Is the question now.
The boy won't fight, so now from Agbaro. So, but if I win that Agbaro fight, I'll come represent play for Ugeli.
Baby.
So if I don't fight Ugeli people.
Excuse me, hey, please, what today, please? God bless you, Daddy, my sister. This is your elder sister, Abby. Yeah. At least I know she would know what she's doing. So please, I'm trying to confirm some points. You know, you have Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, different tribes. Then we have states and capital. I just want to know. I can't just give my daughter out. I need to know some certain questions. That's why I'm asking. Where are you people from? Igbo letting what?
Thank you very much.
Chebichi is Yoruba, she's speaking. Yes.
I've traveled all over the world.
Yes!
I went to United States of my 12. I left there, I go to Agege markets. Everywhere. Ikorodu, Greek. I reach everywhere. I am a traveler.
No. I'm not talking about where you are traveling to. Kokomio. Iboleti Wama. Where exactly are you from? Your family? Okay. So that's fine, no problem. And don't forget it. Forget where you're from.
So like the husband.
So what? You the Chris? So what? Just please. Don't, you are frustrating me already. Don't frustrate me more, please. I don't care where you are from again. What do you do? What's your occupation, please? At least I can know that one before I hand my daughter over to you.
Husbandry. I they do husbandry. So the husbandry, so I get now become money with the but I get 4 fowl and zebra. So that 4 fowl they near each other with the zebra. So zebra will go the piece for where the fowl they stay. So the cage of the fowl and no space for them. I'm coming the cage of the fowl, no space for them to stay. So now I can say, if my auntie, because she know the lie, made the foul.
Now, what do you do? Like your work.
When I finish. So, husbandry, that's...
Excuse, please. Hello, ma. Ṣé mi mọ̀ at least wọ́n ní àgbà òkè wà lọ́jà kó rí ọmọ tuntun wọ́ ẹ̀yin ẹ̀dẹ̀ ìgbà ń bẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin kan ìbéèrè tí wọ́n ń béèrè mà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ̀dẹ̀ dá mi lóhùn. Torí mo, I see that you are a very reasonable person the way I'm talking to you. So please, ma. Iṣẹ́ wo ló ń ṣe? What's his own work? So that I can have that information.
In-law, I beg no first.
Thank you. God bless you, ma. What's wrong with him?
If they say that one, say my in-law won't go for counselor. Make me with a bridge for everywhere. I go shout for my in-law won't do counselor. My in-law
Hey, are you mad? There's way for you now. There's way for the talk. What's the worry you now? What's the meaning of all this nonsense now?
Calm down, please.
Go and tell your mother's people to calm down.
Make a lie small.
Hello?
Hello, Philip.
Hello, who's this? Who?
Mo.
Oh, Mo.
No vex. Another SIM I put inside my phone. So I don't call you. You tell me say make I call you.
When? Me? I no talk that kind of thing. No be me.
No be your message when I see wait time me say make I call you.
God forbid, no be me. I no fit do that kind of thing.
No be you send me text message.
Check very well, no be me.
Oh.
You no fit be me.
No vex. I think say na you. I think say na you, na Cletus.
I call Cletus.
Na Cletus, na he send me the message. I just see him. And I don't go use my last recharge card for you.
No vex.
And as I don't finish my airtime for you now, if you help me send small airtime, make I know say go cut me fast. I go lie give now. Make I lie give Cletus. Make I call Cletus. This pattern will work. One person must fall. Hello, Cletus. So you don't quite know my voice. So now you say I don't call you. You send me message to make I call you.
No be me.
Now I see your text message. You tell me say Mo call me.
No be me. No be me. Check very well.
Oh, no be you. Make I shake again.
Check. It no fit be me.
Oh, no be you. I just say that you. And I don't waste my last airtime call you. I just see that no be you. This is na Aristopoulos. So Aristopoulos na anytime you say make I call him, I think say na you.
Yeah, no be me.
No vex. Hope I no disturb you and I don't use my airtime call you. As I don't finish my airtime on you now, if you kindly help me send me small recharge card. Clement too. You dey fast like this. You know tell me say you dey fast like this one. I know call Aristopoulos like this. I call Aristopoulos. Oh, I don't forget. Aristopoulos don't die.
Lagos, everybody get your cross. You want chop, you got double up. Only God in official cause you. Never, oh never. This life and in the other. Money deep inside the Lagos.
Hello, Brahma.
Hey, how are you?
I don't finally enter Lagos, so you know say I dey new here. I know to know road. I know where your house dey.
I no longer live in Lagos.
You know that where?
I'm not in Lagos anymore.
Where you dey now?
I live in Zamfara State.
Zamfara.
Yes.
What I come do like this now?
You have to go back to the
I go
village.
take go out. I no owe money.
I told you not to come. I told you not.
No, just tell me what.
Kò sọ́lọ́dẹ tí ó torí àtẹ̀gùn.
Mike, showing decline. Please try again. It's still not working.
How much is my bill?
3,500.
All right. Young lady, what's wrong?
I'm trying to make payment for the food I bought, but my card is declining.
Alright. How much is it?
It shows 20,000 naira. Yes.
Alright, please add it to my bill.
Oh my god, are you serious? Oh, you don't have to.
Okay, I beg. Give me a card, yo.
I was joking.
And they joke now, because I be your mate. 20,000, and I'll not be in job. Nonsense.
Women are scorpions. They are vampires.
This thing, they use them for pepper soup.
Are you serious? Nebo, come. See, get what I want to tell you. Nebo, it gets something why don't they fantasize on?
You tell me that.
Nebo, hi. I don't know how I want to tell you, but Nebo, see, see this bush now. I hear say, to knock for bush the sweet pass.
No, sorry, they say the sweet though.
To knock for bush, it is sweet.
I don't do them before.
You don't do them before?
Yes,
Nebo, it is sweet. The natural air go just they blow you.
You go they taste bush.
I'm telling you, Nebo, see, Nebo, I beg. Can you grant me this one wish?
What if my dad did not catch us, or my mom did not, or something not bite your nash, or not bite your account?
Nothing go bite us. We go clear bush. We go clear something. Do something. Put for ground. So, Nebo, I won't make go knack for bush. Nebo. Hey, Nebo, come.
Bring your face down. They'll catch you now. What would you say?
Nebo, don't
Enter fast.
Okay, neighbor. Hey, I don't come.
Eh? What's a beautiful woman like you doing under this hot sun? Eh? Give me your number.
07 22.
Next time, buy yourself a good phone. Eh?
The conqueror, the champion, the lioness is back. Ah, shabu, shabu. My corporate babe, my working class wife. Ah, my salaried woman. Come and give me a peck, baby. Come and give me a peck. Peck me, baby.
Where are you?